Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the farm roads in Jamaica. Now, if you notice, Jamaica is building so many highways. Jamaica will spend, or I shouldn't say Jamaica, the government is spending billions to fix the main roads, millions of US to fix the highways, which is good because Jamaica needs these roads. But they will spend like 650 million Jamaican to fix the farm roads in Jamaica. It's something I've always noticed and wondered about. So the new minister that just came into the ministry now is saying he's going to fix the farm roads. However, they didn't give an amount that's going to be spent. But it's something I've always noticed. They will spend, for instance, the highway from Maypen to Mandeville, 188 million US. They will spend 124 billion to expand the Northern Coastal Highway. They're spending 40 billion on some projects to fix the roads in the residential areas. Yet they spend like 650 million on farm roads. So it's something that I've always wondered, why did they do that? I mean, I'm not saying don't build the highways, but just spend a little more on the farm roads. They're very important. So how it works now, you have three different agencies that are responsible for roads in Jamaica. And we'll do a video on that another day. But just to let you know, the farm roads are part of the Ministry of Agriculture. They are responsible for the farm roads, and the entity within the ministry is RADA. The parochial roads are the responsibility of the parish council, and the main roads are the responsibility of the NWA. Now, the NWA has a much bigger budget than the other agencies. The NWA and the NWC actually give out most of the contracts in Jamaica. So if the NWA that has a majority of the money, they have the expertise to fix the roads, they have everything you need to fix a road, is not responsible for the farm roads. They're not going to work on them. I remember hearing once that a road somewhere was damaged. And it took so long and back and forth between the parish council and NWA to decide who is responsible for that road. Months it took. I think it even ended up, I'm not sure if it ended up in court. NWA says they are not responsible for the road. Parish council says they are not responsible for the road. So there needs to be, let's see, we need a ministry that is in charge of all the roads. One ministry. So that you don't have this thing about people quarreling about who is to fix the roads. You can have a better allocation of funds towards fixing roads. Because that is a serious, that is an issue. Because the farm roads keep getting left behind. $120 billion to expand the Northern Coastal Highway. And let's face it, that has a lot to do with tourism, which is fine. Because tourism brings in a lot of money for Jamaica. But you can't have 120, and that's just one road project. That doesn't include other projects. 120 billion first versus less than, call it $500 million on the farm roads. I'm just saying there needs to be a little bit more, the distribution of the funds need to be a little different. So I think if they had one agency responsible for all the roads in Jamaica. Now, if you want, you can have well, I don't know if we need a ministry of roads, but maybe a ministry of infrastructure, something where you would also have the fire stations, the police stations, everything under the same roof or umbrella, so to speak. Remember once there was this public works department in Jamaica that they used to fix the roads. There was a time in Jamaica when they never used to give out road work projects. It was done by the government. You need to fix a hospital or a police station. So, guys, let us know what you think about one, the amount of money that is given to farm roads versus the other roads. And if you think all the roads and these things should be done, everything should be under one ministry. I'm very interested in getting your feedback. And also for the people who live outside of Jamaica, how is it in the foreign countries, like in the diaspora, so to speak, like in the US? Do you have, I know you have state and federal, but how does it go about the roads? Because like in Florida or or in the US, Canada, what kind of system do they have for the roads? I'm very curious to find out. In the UK, even other Caribbean countries, let us know how it is, how the system is for fixing the roads. Do you have, just give us some feedback as to how it's done over there. Alright guys, for those of you who are interested, I should have said it at the beginning, we are actually driving on, we're on Washington Boulevard now. And I think the video started on Constant Spring Road. So for those who are interested in where the video started. Alright guys, leave your feedback, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.